Hi guys, let's go over some of the expectations for the project. Right now you're under criteria expectations, and we're going to go over some of the requirements for your Biteslide. So if you look underneath Biteslide requirements, you'll see that you're going to need 8 to 10 slides for your presentation. You're welcome to research and come up with the information you would like to add to each slide. And below are the topics of the slides that you'll create, along with a description of some elements or examples to include, as well as the number of minimum slides attached to each topic. So you'll see here I have intro, health, environment, daily living, solution to the problem, conclusion, as well as your references on the last page. And then underneath is a little explanation of what you can add to each slide, as well as the minimum requirement for the slide. So minimum of 2 slides, minimum of 1 slide. You can add more than 1 slide if it has a minimum. However, please try to limit it to 11 to 12 slides at the most. So if it has just 1 slide, please only add 1 slide. And then if you look down a little bit further, there is the actual rubric that I will be grading you on, and I put that in a document here on the website, so you can just scroll down and see what some of the requirements are. Please read through them. You will be graded on a scale starting at 4 points, which is the most, all the way to 1 point, which is the least. And there are quite a few categories here on the side, as well as a description of what I would be looking for. So between the rubric here and the explanation for the Biteslide requirements here, you should be able to have a great understanding of what is expected. Again, please reach out to me if you have any other questions.